Hello everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Pluto TV account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in straight into the video. Launch open a web browser to get started. Into the URL box, type in pluto.tv and search. If you're not already, make sure to log into your Pluto TV account by entering your email and password. After logging in, go and mouse over to your profile icon, which should be located at the top right hand corner. In the pop-up, select Manage Account and click on it. On the left hand side menu, under Manage Account, click on the Change Password button. In the text boxes appearing on the screen, you'll first need to enter the current password associated with your Pluto TV account in the first text box. After entering the current password, move on to the next field and type in a new password you'd like to update for your account. Make sure to double check your password by clicking on this little eye icon, which should reveal the password. Now, repeat the password in the last text box. Make sure to enter the new password here and finally click Change Password. And soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your password for Pluto TV account. Next time you log into your account, you'll need to type in the new password that you recently updated. So that's how you can easily update or change your password for Pluto TV within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll soon be back with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.